Apricots have a seasonality problem that most of their nutritional advocates do not address. The window for genuinely ripe, flavorful fresh apricots in most temperate markets is narrow, approximately June through August in North America and outside this window. What reaches grocery shelves is either underripe fruit harvested early for shipping durability or produce that has traveled very long distances from Southern Hemisphere growing regions. Underripe apricots are substantially lower in beta-carotene than fully ripe ones because carotenoid synthesis progresses throughout the ripening process and peaks at full maturation. The vitamin A case for eating fresh apricots is therefore a seasonal argument as much as a nutritional one. Within their brief season, fresh ripe apricots deliver beta-carotene in a context that dried apricots cannot replicate. Alongside water content that contributes to hydration, fresh vitamin C that dehydration destroys, and digestive enzymes in active form. The brilliant orange flesh of a fully ripe apricot indicates substantial carotenoid accumulation that the paler, firmer flesh of a shipped underripe fruit does not share. For anyone with access to locally grown or farmers market apricots during peak season, eating them fresh during these weeks represents the highest quality vitamin A contribution from this fruit. Dried apricots concentrate beta-carotene 5 times by weight as water is removed, making them a more vitamin A-dense food per ounce than fresh fruit. However, the concentration occurs alongside an equivalent 5-fold increase in sugar content, and the dehydration process destroys most of the vitamin C. Commercial dried apricots are almost universally treated with sulfur dioxide, a preservative that maintains the bright orange color and prevents oxidative browning, but creates a genuine health concern for the 1% of the population with sulfite sensitivity, primarily those with asthma, for whom sulfite exposure can trigger bronchospasm requiring medical attention. Organic unsulfured dried apricots are darker in color, a deep brownish orange rather than the vivid bright orange of sulfite-treated versions, because without the preservative, natural enzymatic browning occurs during drying. The darker color does not indicate nutrient loss, it indicates the absence of chemical preservation. Some beta-carotene oxidizes during the browning process, but the majority is retained, and the absence of sulfite exposure is nutritionally worthwhile for sensitive individuals. Home dehydration provides the most control over the final product. Halved, pitted fresh apricots dried at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 18 hours in a dehydrator produce unsulfured leather with concentrated beta-carotene, no additives, and the satisfaction of peak season preservation that extends the summer's nutritional wealth into winter months. Storing in airtight containers in a cool, dark location maintains quality for 6 to 12 months. Combining dried apricots with almonds, walnuts, or cashews for snacking provides the fat co-transport that carotenoid absorption requires, while delivering a genuinely nutritious portable food that rewards the preparation investment with year-round vitamin A accessibility.